Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very happy good morning to all my dear and lovely students. Welcome you all once again in the summary of my online Pakistan study classes grade 9. Before starting my lecture, you must sure that you have Pakistan study books, rough copies and pencils in which you note the important points regarding to the lecture. I know that I have taught up to chapter 4 to some classes, but still there are some classes as well to whom I taught the chapter up to chapter 3. So I want to start from the beginning of chapter 4, History of Pakistan, to have the same lecture for all classes of 9th. So let's start my first lecture about the history of Pakistan. Creation of Pakistan is an extraordinary event in the world history because we have gotten Pakistan after a long struggle. Creation of Pakistan reminded such struggle which aimed not only to get rid of the long British slavery but the establishment of a new Islamic country in Indo-Pak subcontinent. In the history of the world, the creation of Pakistan is considered to be the important event because of the following three reasons. The first one is establishment of Pakistan by constitutional and political efforts. Quaid-e-Azam and their team tried their level best to establish Pakistan by constitutional and political efforts, not by rebellion. Because Quaid-e-Azam proved that the Muslim of subcontinent has the separate identity by religion, language and culture, etc. Quaid-e-Azam made themselves a part of the government and made the establishment of Pakistan possible according to the Act of 1935, Indian Act and 1947 Act of Independence of Subcontinent. The second point is liberation from British slavery. British came to the subcontinent on 30 December 1600 century with the name of East India Company. Gradually they got hold a city after another. The people of subcontinent started war of independence against British in 1957, but they faced failure. In 1885, a political party with the name of All India National Congress was made by A.O. Hume, but this party was dominated by Hindus. The Muslim of subcontinent made their own party with the name of All India Muslim League. In 1906, in the leadership of Sir Aga Khan, after a long struggle, they made it possible to compel the British to leave the subcontinent. The third point is establishment of a new state with the name of Pakistan in British India. Establishment of a new state with the name of Pakistan in the British India, All India Muslim League not only got rid of the long British slavery but the establishment of a new Islamic state in Indo-Pak subcontinent. After this, when Pakistan came into being, Pakistan faced some problems which I want to explain there. The history of the initial problems of Pakistan is the history of this newborn country should be scrutinized, keeping in the view the above mentioned three causes. Pakistan faced different administrative, political, economical and social problems from the very first day. The problems were long listed, but this new established country faced hardships in the achievement of her aims due to the following important issues. The first problem was state and administrative problems. Hindus Muslim riots were started in the different parts of India with the establishment of Pakistan, due to which people from all walks of life faced confusion. Uh, so in this point, in this stage, what was happened that a great number of Muslims migrated from Indian territories to Pakistan, whereas lakhs of Hindus and Sikhs migrated to India. Such a huge shifting of population, creating many problems for Pakistan from Pakistani government. Because most of the clerks, officers, doctors, teachers, and experts of other departments were migrated to India, the country faced deficiency of technical people in different walks of life, and this was not an easy job for government to overcome the deficiency. Karachi was designated as the capital of Pakistan due to non-availability of government buildings. Offices of the federal government were set up and military barracks. Necessary equipment and office records was not available for running these offices. So I think it is enough for today. Inshallah, if you people have any query, any problem, so you can ask me in the next lecture. Inshallah, I will try my level best to solve your problems in a very good way, inshallah. So it was all about my lecture. See you, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.